Day 9. Hi, my name is Michelle, and I'm a mental health coach. I'm the owner of liveglad.dk and manifestingnow.com. Today it's about listening to your favorite music. Listening to your favorite tunes actually can boost your mood and also have a positive effect on your brain. Music has the ability to change your mindset. Have you ever tried listening to your favorite tune and going, maybe you were a little bit sad before, and suddenly everything seems brighter? A song I really love is, I feel happy, clap along if you feel like everything is the truth. I'm not a singer, but, just hearing it and maybe singing along with it, it boosts your mindset. So, day 9, listen to your favorite tune. It will do wonders on your mental health. Take care, stay safe,